Let us solve this trigonometry sum. Solve the equation 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0 for theta lies between 0 to 180. We need to find the values of theta lying in that interval satisfying this particular equation. Clear with the question? Okay. Now see. Given to us is 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0. To solve this, if I look at the equation, I realized that there are two trigonometric ratios present, sine and cos. This cos theta I cannot write in terms of sine, so don't touch this. But this can be written in terms of cos. How? With the help of basic trigonometry identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. I want sin square, so I send cos square to the other side. So sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So if replace sin square by this over here, so that will be 3 times of 1 minus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Next, how do I simplify this equation? Expand or open the bracket. So it is 3 minus 3 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0. Now if I look at this equation, I should get the idea of quadratic. So I arrange it in proper quadratic equation form. Okay. In that first square term, so that is minus 3 cos square theta. Next is minus 2 cos theta. At last the constant. So here it is plus 3 minus 3 cancel out. I don't have any constant left. We got the quadratic equation. Now let us write cos theta to be y. Then cos square theta will become y square. Now this equation will turn into minus 3y square minus 2y equal to 0. Since constant is not present, directly I can do, or I can also make use of calculator. Better use calculator to get the values for y. So put this in the calculator, you get the values for y to be, one value of y is 0 and other value of y is minus 2 by 3. Okay. Y is nothing but cos theta. So cos theta equal to 0 or cos theta equal to minus 2 by 3. Now cos theta equal to 0. I can consider it to be plus 0 or minus 0. For to be uniformity, let us say it is plus 0. So now I need to see where all is cos positive. It is all silver tea cups. Cos is positive in first and fourth. To get an angle in the first, we directly do cos inverse 0. To get an angle in the fourth, we do 360 minus cos inverse 0. If I put this in the calculator, I get the answer to be 90 for this. And answer for this will be 270. Okay. Now for this one, cos theta is negative. In what quadrants is cos negative? It's negative in second and third. To get an angle in the second, we do 180 minus cos inverse 2 by 3. To get an angle in the third, we do 180 plus cos inverse 2 by 3. The negative sign only helps you to select the quadrant. Its use is only till there. Here again you should not take negative sign. Okay. Negative sign is only for selecting the quadrant. Its work is till there itself. Okay. If you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 131.8. If you put this, you get a value. Why am I not writing? I'll tell you just now. See here. I want theta values to be lying between 0 to 180. So this value of theta is not in the range. So cancel out. 180 plus is also not in the range. So cancel out. So your answer is only this one and this one. These are the values of theta lying in the range satisfying the condition. Clear? Now, one point here I want to tell is whether you consider positive 0 or negative 0, your answer will still be the same. Okay, method is same. Don't get confused with 0. Okay, take it as plus 0 and continue with the same method.